Hello friends, welcome to the next video of the series Top Out of Best. In this video I am going to show you 10 best education apps for Android. So let's start the video. Let's admit, the COVID-19 outbreak has spread global panic, with people searching for ways to protect themselves. Many startups, tech companies, etc. were bringing new apps and services to help users utilize the quarantine time. The coronavirus outbreak has already affected the lives of commoners, but it's heavily affecting students' lives. Students were left with no option during the self-quarantine. In this video, I had discussed to share a list of the best educational apps that would help students learn something new. So let's explore some of the best educational apps for Android. First one is TED. This is one of the best Android apps to feed your curiosity and expand your knowledge. There are over 3000 TED Talks available on the app, which would help you to learn or discover something new. What's more valuable is the TED lets you download the video for offline viewing. You can also bookmark or add video to your playlist. Second is Khan Academy. Well, it's one of the world's largest educational website where you can access over 6,000 lectures. The good thing is that Khan Academy covers a wide range of subjects like math, science, economics, finance, grammar, government, politics, etc. It's one of the best apps to sharpen your skill and practice exercises, quizzes, and tests. Third is Coursera. For those who don't know, Coursera works in partnership with few universities to deliver courses and offer free classes for physics, medical, biology, mathematics, etc. If we talk about the Coursera Android app, it lets you access more than 2000 courses and a specialization developed by 140 plus best universities and colleges. Not only that, on the completion of course, it also gives you a specialized certificate. I will also recommend you to use this app. Fourth is Photomath. Mathematics has always been a tedious and puzzling subject for many students. The Photomath aims to make mathematics fun and easy to understand. It's an intelligent camera calculator that uses your phone's camera to solve mathematical problems. The app is handy for those who are willing to practice math. What makes the app more valuable is that it solves the math problems and gives you detailed step-by-step instructions on how to solve each math questions. Fifth is Duolingo. Duolingo is one of the oldest apps on the list which could help you to learn new languages. The app teaches you languages in bite-sized chunks through little mini games. Duolingo could be an excellent app for those who are willing to improve their English skill and have fun. With Duolingo, you can learn English, Japanese, Chinese, Korean, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Russian, and many more languages for free. This app has lots of short lessons that would help you practice speaking, reading, listening, and writing to improve your English vocabulary and pronunciation. Number 6 is Curiosity Stream. Well, Curiosity Stream is a video streaming app where you can watch endless hours of video content. We have listed Curiosity Stream in the list of best education app because it hosts documentaries that enlighten, entertain, and inspire you. Although it doesn't have movies, TV shows, and all, you can discover exclusive interviews with world-class experts in various fields. What's more interesting is the new content is added every week, so you will never run out of things to watch. Seventh is Byju's the Learning app. Well, it's an educational app that's supposed to help students learn better. To do that, it provides an interactive way of learning concepts. Over 42 million users now use the Learning app for Android, and it offers comprehensive learning programs in math and science for students between class 4th to 12th. However, Byju's the Learning app is a bit expensive than Khan Academy. Number 8. edX. If you are searching for an Android app to learn programming languages like C, C++, Python, Java, JavaScript, and R programming, then edX might be the best pick for you. Founded by Harvard University and MIT, edX services as an excellent platform for learners. It has over 2,000 plus online courses that would help you develop new skills or hone exciting ones. Number 9 is Udemy. Well, Udemy is one of the best platforms to purchase online courses. It's an online learning platform with over 130,000 video courses taught by expert instructors. From computer programming to self-improvement, you will find courses for every category on Udemy. It has both free and paid courses within your budget. Number 10 is Lumosity. Well, it's not an educational app, but it's a cognitive training program that would help you train your brain. It has lots of fun interactive games designed to exercise attention, speed, memory, flexibility, and problem solving. It tracks your progress to provide you with detailed insight into your strengths, weaknesses, cognitive patterns. So these are some of the best education apps for Android. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friend also. If you know of any other such apps, let us know in the comment box below. Subscribe the channel if you want more videos like this. Thank you for watching the video.